Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video, if you guys can tell by the title, on the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. I did ask you guys on my Snapchat if you guys wanted to see these and you guys said yes. So I'm filming that video for you guys today. So really quick, just a quick overview. These do retail for about $11 to $12.49 at the drugstore. I did get all of mine from Rite Aid. These are a matte liquid lipstick, but they dry down very comfortably. They aren't fully transfer proof, but they are pretty transfer proof. I love this formula. I love these lipsticks. So about 2 weeks ago, I filmed the Maybelline Super Stay First Impressions with the Super Stay foundation, 4 of these shades, and the Makeup Shayla palette that she didn't collab with Maybelline, of course. I will leave that video over here so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So because I love the lipstick so much in that video, I went ahead and picked up more shades. I finally found Fighter. If you've watched that video, you know what I'm talking about. I finally found it. They go on really smooth. Lover, which is the only pink I picked up, was a little streaky, but once you get it on, it's beautiful. I love this shade. This is called Escapist. My favorites are Escapist, Huntress, Visionary, basically all of them. My least favorite is Lover, because you guys probably noticed, you guys really ever see me with pinks on my channel. I don't really do pink lips more than I do like pink eyes, so that's pretty much it. If there's anything I missed or if you have any further questions, let me know. These have been out for a while. I'm kind of late on this, so if there's anything I missed in this intro, leave it in the comments down below. I love you all to absolute pieces, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.